Welcome back to Kivy with KS. Here we are going to write codes about how to create a button in Kivy. Import Kivy from kivy.app. Import app from kivy.uix. Button. Import button. Make a class. Here the class name is CreateButtonApp. Define the method def build self. Now create a button with a specific text. Button equal button text equal submit. The button's text is set to submit using the text attribute. Bind the button's onPress event to a function called onButtonPress. Button bind on press self dot on button press. Return the button as the root widget of the application. Return button. Define onButtonPress function. On button press self comma instance function to be executed when the button is pressed. Print button is created successfully. When the button is pressed, the onButtonPress function is called and it prints button is created successfully to the console. Now write the conditional statement. If double underscore name double underscore double equal double underscore main double underscore colon. Create button app dot run. Now let's run the application. So look here, button is created. Click on it. Button is created successfully, printed to the console. Now add some properties to the button. Let us change the font size of the button, background color. So go to here, enter, comma, enter, font size equal, let's take 20, comma, size equal in the parenthesis 200, comma 100, comma background color equal in the parenthesis 0.2, comma 0.7, comma 0.3, comma 1. Now let's run the application. Click on it. Button is created successfully, printed to the console. So the background color is changed and the font size is increased. Now let us change the button position. Add one more property. Pose, hint, center underscore x colon 0.5 comma center underscore y colon 0.5. Done. Now let's run. We have to put one comma here. Now run it. Generally we see no change here. Let's add one more property. Size hint none. Comma. Now let's run. Now you look, the button position and also the button size is changed. Now click on the button, submit. It's giving the print button is created successfully to the console. Hope it helped you. If you have any question, please drop in the comment box.